Hi again, everyone. In this video, we are going to build 6 mini Lego dinosaurs. We'll be making Pachycephalosaurus, Dimetrodon, Nothosaurus, Kentrosaurus, Parasaurolophus, and last but not least, Carnotaurus. Also, check out my other creations. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your ideas for my next build. Without further ado, let's build. Pachycephalosaurus was a unique dinosaur that lived about 70 to 66 million years ago. It walked upright on its 2 back legs and stretching around 4.5 meters long. As a herbivore, it roamed through the trees, using its strong beak to chew on soft leaves, ancient fruits, and tough plants. Although they were herbivores, their front teeth were actually quite sharp. Scientists guess that every now and then, they might have also eaten small insects as an extra source of protein. The most special and the iconic feature of the Pachycephalosaurus was its massive hard head dome. This unique dome was formed by layers and layers of skull bone that naturally grew thicker as they grew up, reaching up to 25 centimeters thick. This bony forehead evolved as a natural weapon and a main tool for communication. Also, they used it to show off their strength to attract mates, defend themselves from predators, and serve as a super strong helmet. By the way, guys, check out my new channel, specializes for funny Lego story, Kosbrick story. Subscribe and I'll bet it will make your day. And let me know in the comment if you have any suggestion. Let's continue the video. Dimetrodon was a fascinating prehistoric creature from 295 million years ago, long before the first dinosaurs. It walked on 4 legs that spread out to the sides like a modern lizard, and it grew up to 4.5 meters long. As an apex predator at the top of the food chain, Dimetrodon used its sharp, powerful claws and a mouthful of 2 different types of teeth to hunt for its meals. It would track down and ambush prehistoric amphibians, early reptiles, and even large fish near swamps and rivers. Although it looked like a giant reptile, its teeth and skull were more like ours. Believe it or not, scientists believe that Dimetrodon is a closer relative to mammals, including humans, than to any dinosaur. The most iconic feature of Dimetrodon was the massive sail on its back. This unique sail was made of long, thin bones growing from its spine, covered in skin. Evolving as a brilliant survival tool, it acted like a natural solar panel. By catching the morning sun, Dimetrodon could warm up quickly and hunt, while other animals were still too cold to move. It was also used to show off and look big to scare away rivals, or attract a mate. Nothosaurus was an amazing prehistoric creature that lived about 240 to 210 million years ago during the Triassic period. It was a marine reptile, which means it spent most of its life in the water, ruling the oceans. Growing up to 4 meters long, about the length of a modern alligator, it had a long, sleek body built for swimming. Nothosaurus was a sneaky carnivore of the shallow coastal waters. It used its webbed feet and long tail to paddle smoothly through the water, lurking near the surface. It tracked down prey and used a sudden fast strike to ambush fish, squid, and other small sea creatures. Although an ocean hunter, its legs were strong enough to crawl onto land. Scientists believe Nothosaurus hauled itself onto beaches to rest, bask in the sun, or safely lay its eggs away from deep-sea predators. The most iconic feature of Nothosaurus was its long, flat skull, packed with an incredible set of teeth. This fearsome mouth was filled with long, dagger-like fangs that crisscrossed and locked together when it closed its jaws, forming a natural cage. This cage of teeth was the ultimate fishing tool. Once a slippery fish was caught inside that bony trap, there was no escape. With nostrils high on its snout acting like a snorkel, it could easily breathe while keeping its body hidden underwater. Kentrosaurus was an incredible armored dinosaur that lived about 152 million years ago, during the late Jurassic period. It was a close relative of the famous Stegosaurus, but it was smaller, about the size of a large elephant, growing up to 4.5 meters long and weighing around 2 tons. Kentrosaurus was a gentle herbivore. Because it carried its small, narrow head very low to the ground, it couldn't reach high tree branches. Instead, it slowly roamed the forest, using its toothless beak to snip and eat low-lying plants like ferns, mosses, and ancient leaves, swallowing its food in large chunks. Although a gentle plant eater, its teeth were only used for minor chewing. Scientists believe Kentrosaurus spent almost its entire day eating tons of greens just to keep its massive body moving. The most iconic feature of Kentrosaurus was the terrifying row of weapons on its body. While Stegosaurus had flat plates, Kentrosaurus was covered in sharp spikes, starting with small plates near its neck. But as you moved down its spine, those plates transformed into long, lethal, bone-piercing spikes. It even had a giant pair of spikes pointing backward from its shoulders. Evolving as the ultimate defense against predators like Allosaurus, its long, spike-tipped tail could be swung like a deadly mace to shatter an attacker's legs or face. Ouch! Parasaurolophus was an extraordinary dinosaur that lived about 76 to 73 million years ago, during the late Cretaceous period. It walked on all 4 legs while grazing, but could stand up and run on its 2 back legs when it needed to move fast. It was quite large, growing up to 10 meters long. Parasaurolophus was a duck-billed herbivore, meaning its mouth, shaped like a duck's beak, was perfect for eating plants. To survive, it used its tough beak to snip off leaves, pine needles, and twigs from bushes and low tree branches. Although they were gentle plant eaters, they didn't just swallow leaves. Scientists guess that Parasaurolophus had hundreds of tiny teeth packed together inside its jaws, working like a giant, built-in vegetable grater to grind up tough plants before swallowing. The most iconic feature of Parasaurolophus was the massive, backward curving crest on its head, reaching up to 1.8 meters long. Carnotaurus was a terrifying and bizarre predator that lived about 72 to 69 million years ago, during the late Cretaceous period. It stood upright on 2 long, muscular back legs and was a medium-sized carnivore, growing up to 8 meters long and weighed around 1.5 tons. Carnotaurus was a swift hunter that ruled the ancient plains. To survive, it used its incredible speed to chase down small, fast-moving prey, relying on its quick reflexes to ambush its targets. Although it was a fierce meat-eater, its jaw structure was actually quite weak, meaning it couldn't crush heavy bones. Scientists guess that Carnotaurus used a slash-and-bite hunting style, using its head like a quick, lightweight axe to repeatedly wound its prey until it wore them down. The most special and iconic feature of Carnotaurus was the pair of thick, sharp horns sticking out right above its eyes. This unique feature makes it look exactly like a real-life demon or a bull. These horns evolved as a natural helmet and a tool for showing off. They were made of solid bone, and scientists believe Carnotaurus used them in wrestling matches against other males, pushing and shoving head-to-head to win territory or impress a mate, much like modern bulls do today. Just before the asteroid hit, they went extinct due to environmental shifts and intense competition. As their beloved grassy plains changed and fast-moving prey disappeared, their bodies, highly specialized only for high-speed sprinting, struggled to adapt, ultimately leading to their extinction. And there you have it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and give it a like. Until next time, stay awesome and keep on bricking.